Hi, I'm gonna be singing Girl Like Me by Rihanna. Some girls play the game. They all walk and talk and they dress the same. Nothing new to say. Don't they realize it's so easy to see right through their disguise? It makes me wonder why. When the whole world's turning left, it's when I'm going right. I need someone who let me be just who I am inside. It's just a little different from all the rest. And a girl like me is never gonna settle for second best. Could it be a boy like you? Give me anything if I asked you to. Would take all my dreams and make them true. Show me all the reasons you wanna be with a girl like me.